If you would like, as I can tell you, you asked about coordination of control, and I'm familiar with some of the Environment Agency's work up on the wharf, on the Calder, where they have been controlling two of the big riparian problems. So hogweed, that causes blisters to skin. So if children, or adults indeed, get the sap on their skin, it causes blisters that recur throughout the rest of your life, really unpleasant burns. And then knotweed, that interferes with construction. And they've been doing some fantastic work in trying to treat consistently, because clearly things do spread naturally and are spread by human agency. And so treating one area of a river, it can then be reinvaded. And so they've done some fantastic work in the Aire and Calder in ongoing treatment programs. But knotweed can regenerate. Hogweed seed will sprout after 8 years. So you need to continue these treatments. And when there's an issue with short-term funding, you get a bit of EU funding or something to do something for 2 years, but we need to get rid of 8 years of hogweed before the seed's no longer sprouting. And another issue that my colleagues in the Environment Agency point out...
25 feet underground and cover it in black.
That's right, yeah.
Plastic, can you say that? So that no light whatsoever would actually get it, or it would sprout again. It's unbelievably resilient.
It's unbelievable. And in fact, if you remove it from your garden and then just lazily pop it in your, for example, Leeds has got a great compost recycling, then you've contaminated everybody else's compost. So the other issue that they do raise is that it's difficult sometimes to be able to enforce landowners. So they're paying for this treatment at the minute, the Environment Agency, and actually they're paying for the stuff that should be the responsibility of the landowners. And there's a double problem there. Some big landowners perhaps are not taking responsibility, and then there's an issue with very small landowners, you know, perhaps being unable to pay for it. So it's finding the funds to do that.